Einstein's theory of relativity is a great intellectual achievement of 19th century. The problem today in physics is that everybody sees this theory as something that was done and that is in its final stage. So basically there is no development regarding the theory of relativity of Albert Einstein. And I am really glad to inform you that my student from India, Akash Saroy, has published a preprint for which I think is a breakthrough in the theory of relativity. What he showed in this article is that with the extension of the mass-energy equivalence principle on the superfluid space, we can show that light is bending not because of the presence of stellar object, let's say the sun, but it's bending because the mass of the sun diminishes energy density of space in its center, and this diminished energy density is the physical origin of light refraction. This is a great intellectual achievement, which is the first step into development of Einstein theory of relativity. And I'm sure that in the next year Saroy will also bridge relativity with the quantum physics. Because once in relativity we have superfluid quantum space as the fundamental arena of the universe, then there is a solid theoretical background for unification of quantum mechanics and theory of relativity. I don't agree with Hooft. He is a Nobel winner. He said that actually quantum mechanics makes no sense. It makes sense, but it has to be also renewed with the new development of physics. And the new development of physics is that universal space is not empty. This was the main mistake of Albert Einstein. He tried to repair this mistake back in 1920 with his speech about the fact that ether has to be reintroduced into physics, but nobody listened to him. And this idea of Einstein that curvature of space can carry gravity, this is basically not physics. This is philosophy. And that's why this is the weak point of relativity, and I'm so glad that my student Akash Saroy now is fixing this, and I'm sure that his work will have a huge success. So thank you everybody for listening this video, and read the preprint. We will now send article to a journal, and I hope it will be published soon.